Hello my dear friend, if you accidentally change your Facebook language another, don't worry, you can follow this guide easily back to your language to English. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open the Facebook application. After that, at the top left corner, find the three hamburger menu icon, click on it. Then scroll down slowly, you can see the settings symbol, tap on it, then go to settings. Once you are in the settings page is open, scroll down slowly. This time you can see the languages symbol. Once you found it, simply tap on it. After the page is open, at the very top you can see Facebook option appear. Simply tap on it to open the languages page. After the Facebook languages page is open, scroll through the page and find the exact language if you want to set. For example, I am select English, so tap on English and wait to complete the process. And right now you have successfully done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friend. Thanks for watching.